Hi, I'm Renee. Welcome to my Kudos Kitchen, where today we'll be making golden almond cake with fresh blueberry orange compote. The ingredients you'll need to make this cake are fresh blueberries, fresh orange juice and the orange zest. You'll need Swerve all-natural sweetener, eggs, almond flour, coconut flour, xanthan gum, baking soda, salt, almond extract, heavy cream, and melted butter. Not necessarily in that order. This cake is sugar-free, gluten-free, keto-friendly, but my husband says it tastes good anyways. All the ingredients you'll need should be readily available at your grocery store. But if you have problems finding them, I'm going to leave links on the blog post itself where you can find them, and also I'll leave links to this video down below. So let's You are now ready to bake at 325 for approximately 40 minutes. So we'll meet you back in a little bit. So the cake is baked and I've turned it out onto the cake plate, and now all you need to do is spoon and spread the blueberry orange compote on top of the almond cake. And a little bit of fresh orange zest to finish.